हॅलो स्टुडंट, मी गायत्री सदाफळ पुन्हा एकदा तुमचं स्वागत करते आपल्या लाडके यूट्यूब चॅनलवर महाराष्ट्र मीडियावर. आज आपण स्टार्ट करणार आहोत महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 9 हिस्ट्री चॅप्टर 2 इंडिया इव्हेंट्स आफ्टर 1960. ओके, in that question number first A, choose the correct option from the given option and rewrite the statements. Question first, the Prime Minister of India who took an initiative in resolving the question of the Tamil minority in the Sri Lanka was. Answer is Rajiv Gandhi. Question number second, is the father of the Green Revolution in India. Is the father of the Green Revolution in India. Answer is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Question number B, identify and write the wrong pairs in the following sets. Question number first, Indira Gandhi emergency, Rajiv Gandhi development of the science and technology, P.V. Narasimha Rao it's a economic improvements, and Chandrasekhar is the Mandel Commission. Answer is Chandrasekhar is a Mandel Commission. Question number 2A, based on the information in the chapter, prepare a chronological chart of the Prime Minister and their tenure. Answer, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru 1947 to 1964, Lal Bahadur Shastri 1964 to 1966, Indira Gandhi 1966 to 1977, Morarji Desai 1977 to 1979, Charan Singh it's 1979 to 1980, Indira Gandhi 1980 to 1984, Rajiv Gandhi 1984 to 1989, Vishwanathan Pratap Singh is the 1989 to 1990, Chandra Shekhar is the 1990 to 1991. 10th is the P.V. Narasimha Rao, it's 1991 to 1996. 11th is the Atal Bihari Vajpayee, it's 1996. 12th H.D. Dev Gowda is the 1996 to 1997. 13th Inder Kumar Gujral 1997 to 1998. 14th Atal Bihari Vajpayee 1998 to 2004. Question number 2B, write short notes on in that first, globalization. Answer, first point, globalization brought about many changes in different fields like economy, politics, science and technology, society and culture. Second point, India has emerged as important country on the global scene in the different spheres. Third point, India is an important member of the international organizations like G20 and the BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Fourth point, India has experienced an important revolution in the field of the telecommunication technology. Fifth point, mobile phones, internet and the communication facilities based on the satellites have spread all across the country. Sixth point, it has resulted in the total transformation in the lifestyle of Indians and especially the youth. Last point, these changes are visible from their dietary habits, clothing, language and beliefs. Question number 2, White Revolution. Answer, first point, White Revolution is a major event of India's efforts towards self-reliance. Second point, the experiment in the cooperative dairy movements by Dr. Verghese Kurian led to the increase of milk production in India. Third point, this is called as a White Revolution. Question 3A, give reasons. In that question first, the Morarji Desai government lasted for a short while. Answer, first point, on the backdrop of the emergency, many opposition parties came together and formed a party called as the Janata Party. Second point, the Congress party led by the Indira Gandhi was roundly defeated by this newly formed Janata Party. Third point, question number 2, the army has to be sent into the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Answer, first point, the Sikhs in Punjab demanded an independent state of the Khalistan and they began a movement which went to become a violent and destructive. Second point, Pakistan had lent its support to this movement. Third point, some terrorists had allegedly taken a shelter inside the Golden Temple at Amritsar, a holy shrine of the Sikhs in 1984. Fourth point, hence the Indian army was sent into the Golden Temple in Amritsar to evict the terrorists who had taken shelter there. Question number 3. The National Planning Commission was set up in India. Answer. First point, India wanted to acquire a modernity and the self-reliance by establishing industries. Second point, India wanted to establish an economy based on social justice through a planning. Third point, for this, the National Planning Commission was established. This would coordinate development through the policy of 5-year plans. Question number B. Answer the following questions in 25 to 30 words. In that, question number first, how was the 1991 a year of important changes in the history of the world of an India? Answer. First point, the year 1991 is held to be very important in history of the world as well as India. Second point, the Soviet Union disintegrated into the several different small countries and Cold War came to an end. Third point, during this period the Ram Janmabhoomi and the Bari Mosque issue at the Ayodhya came to the forefront. In India, the government under the leadership of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao initiated many changes in the Indian economy. Fifth point, these economic reforms are called as economic liberalization. The Indian economy flourished as a result of the implementation of this policy. Second point, skill Indian of the professional helps the reform the Indian economy. The field of information technology opens several avenues of employment in the country. Last point, the changes after 1991 are also described as a globalization. Question number 2. What are the characteristics of the Indian economy? Answer. First point, right from the independence, the modernization of economy, economic self-sufficiency and social justice have been the characteristics of the Indian economy. Second point, India wanted to acquire the modernity and the self-reliances by establishing industries. Third point, it wanted to establish an economy based on the social justice through planning. Fourth point, for this the National Planning Commission was established that would coordinate development through policy of 5-year plans. Question number 4, with the help of the information in the chapter, complete the list of the challenges before India and strength of India. Question number 4, see the answers here. The challenges in front of the India, answer is strength. India and Pakistan was unity in diversity, cross-border terrorism, membership in G20 and the BRICS, corruption, nuclear preparedness and separatism is the establishment of National Planning Commission. ओके, सो थँक्यू स्टुडंट. पुन्हा भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये.